Hello everyone! Welcome back. I am so excited. Today's video is so awesome. So today, got a hair stuck to the box. That's normal. We are unboxing the August 2021 Goddess Provisions box. This is the Empath Toolkit box, which is so exciting. And yeah, I've been subscribed to Goddess Provisions for like, it was the first witchy box I ever got, and I've stuck with it the entire time. So probably like 2 years I've had it. And they reached out to me and they're like, you want to collab? And I was like, yes, sis, I'd love to. So what we're doing is I just have an extra box sitting here unopened. Weird. Do you guys want it? I am doing a giveaway of this box, the unopened version, of course, the August Empath Toolkit box. So I will have the rules in the description, but I mean, it's basic giveaway. You need to subscribe, like, comment what your favorite item in this box is, and then for extra entries, you can share it on your Instagram. Part of it was that you have to follow me on Instagram too. I'll have the rules here because I don't remember them. But for the extra entry, you can share it, just like take a screenshot of this video, like, I don't know, maybe there, and then share it on your Instagram stories, and just make sure to tag me, because if you don't, I won't see it, and I want you to get that extra entry. So I'm so excited, guys, and I'll have the link to get Goddess Provisions down below. If you want to subscribe, if you've been wanting to for a while, you can definitely use that link. Let's just hop in. I took the label off so I didn't dox myself and kind of destroyed the box. So look how pretty that side is. So I have opened this. I was very excited. But let's go do it together. I'll open it like this so you can see it. I'm using my yoga block for support. Here we go. Okay. So the first thing out of the box is this card, and let me get the artist's name. Tarn Ellis, I think is how you pronounce it, and it's at Tarn Ellis Art, and they have an Etsy shop. So, I'll just give you a peek of that. Love that they do these artists. I always put them on my wall. I had a huge wall of all my like subscription box cards in my old place, but I haven't gotten up to that yet, so I have a pile of them and I'm waiting to put them up. So it has all the deets, and you do get a digital bonus as always, and it's the 7 chakras, and it's a chakra guide that you can use as a map to understand the connection between your physical body, mindset, emotions, and energy. And that is a $12 value. It is by Dreamy Moons, who is someone I follow because I have their Cosmic Guidance Oracle deck, and I really love them. Something that I love about Goddess Provisions, and was probably the reason I first started with them, is they plant a tree with each box that you buy, so that makes me very happy. I am definitely a nature girl, so knowing that that was happening just like made me want to get it even more so. And this is $33 a month, and they do have a Moon Wisdom Club, which is completely separate, but I have it and I really like it. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in. I am just gonna pull out the first thing I see, which is this incense, and like I said, I did open this already. I have been wanting to bump into this every single day. I've been wanting to pop this open and use it, but I've been waiting till I film the video, of course. Green tea and lavender incense sticks. It says this soothing blend promotes relaxation and harmony. Burn it during your healing rituals to remove energy blockages and strengthen spiritual health. This is a $15 value. I just love that. I've never seen green tea and lavender together, and those are like 2 of my favorite scents. I'm so excited. I've started burning incense every night before bed, just like I always sit in bed and like read for like 30 minutes, and that has been really fun. So I'm really looking forward to burning that at night. The next thing, they post this on their Instagram stories, and I loved it. This is, and the amount of bags I've gotten from being subscribed to Goddess Provisions. If you need these bags, just subscribe and you'll have 1 million in like a year. This is the Pastel Rainbow Chakra Wand. This is what it looks like. And it says, use this pointed wand for energy work with the unified powers of clear quartz, amethyst, angelite, green aventurine, yellow aventurine, sunstone, and rose quartz crystals. It's the perfect tool to balance and align the chakras. and this is an $18 value. And this and the incense sticks were both made for Goddess Provisions. They usually always send you a crystal or something with a crystal in it, so this is that. I mean, it's like a mix-up of crystals. I love this because you guys know that I consider myself an empath. One of the first things I really got into when I started my witchy journey was the chakras, so it feels kind of nostalgic to go back to that vibe. I like it a lot. Okay, next thing is this incense holder. It's the Healing Hand incense holder, and all their, like, they do these types of packages a lot, and they're all recyclable, which I really like. I think the entire box is recyclable, and usually if they do use, like, plastic, it's, like, plastic that you can, like, recycle well. Is all plastic's able to be recycled? I don't know what I'm saying, you guys. This says it's mango wood and brass, which I didn't see before. Let's see. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. That's really pretty. It says this mango wood holder features a brass plate etched with celestial symbolism to call in protection, divine connection, and clarity. And this is a $22 value. This is super cool. I really, really enjoy when incense holders take a different artistic approach, because I just like have gained so many like long incense holders, just the typical kind. And so every time I get a super cool incense holder, I'm very excited. Okay, next, this was really interesting. Sometimes they'll send oracle decks, which are always my favorite boxes. This is the E-Resonance Stress Reduction Essentials deck. So this is a $22.66 value. And it says these cards include healing techniques from 41 female artists who've channeled the gifts from their practices into beautiful art. Intuitively pick a card to expand your self-care routine and find peace within. I really liked that this is multiple different artists. I thought that was super interesting. And the cards are like pocket-sized and have a nice like golden foil. And then on the back, there's like a routine that it gives you. So these are super pretty, and I was a little confused because when I opened it, I noticed that some of the fronts didn't really match the back, and like different things would be obviously together, and I was kind of confused. But then I went on to Goddess Provisions Instagram, and apparently this is like the second version, so it's made to be a bit more mixed up so that you can work more so with your intuition. And I thought that was really interesting. But I thought these were really cute. I really enjoy small decks. I feel like this might be something I'll keep on me, like in my backpack or my purse, so that when I'm out and about and I want to get some spirit messages, like super, super compact. And I really love, some of the art is so pretty. I mean, all of the art's really pretty, but some of it just like astounded me. Like, I just think this is so pretty. Like, all the artists do such like amazing jobs. And I just think it's so pretty. I love, again, like I said, I love the idea of having multiple artists. And the box is really cute too. And there's a small little guide. It's only like 1 or 2 pages. And the last thing, this is so cool. And this, again, I saw on their sneak peeks. If you are getting the box and you don't want sneak peeks, be careful on Instagram because they do sneak peeks. I like it, but I know some people might not. So it says, as a conductor, copper moves energy and amplifies thoughts. Use this altar tool to clear your field from anything that's no longer serving and to charge sacred items with your highest intention. So like I said, $33 value. And again, another Goddess Provisions exclusive. I think the only thing that wasn't was the deck. And this is really pretty. Some of the copper got like a little scuffed up, which I'm sure was just a shipping thing, but it also could just rub off. I didn't think about that. But other than that, it's super cute, and honestly, it kind of gives it a rustic effect, which I don't hate. So I've never used a copper plate. I've had like my selenite stuff, but I've never used copper, so I think that's gonna be a super interesting part. So yeah, and then obviously, like I said, you have that digital bonus that you get every month. This was so fun. I loved this. I think my favorite box, I was looking through their old boxes and I was trying to think about which one I got that was my favorite. And there's a lot. The first one I got was so sick. The first one was like for sleeping or something, and you got like tea for lucid dreaming, a cute little sleep pillow, a little like night mist that helps with like aromatherapy, getting you like really calm and sleepy time. And the Isis Wisdom box, the Lemuria box, the self-care one was really good. Honestly, like they're all so good. I think the boxes that give you an oracle deck just like automatically get bumped up on the list because I'm just so obsessed with tarot and oracle decks, so that makes me so happy. And of course, crystals too. I've gotten so many cute things from Goddess Provisions, so I just like literally, when they emailed me, you guys, I like screamed. I was so excited because this was my first box. This was my first like brand that I started with when I started my spiritual journey. So it has such nostalgia with me, and like each box like really was a moment to learn about something specific. Like the Lemuria box and the Isis Wisdom box, both I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna take this month to take these tools and like learn something. So I'm always like trying to learn something from my experiences, and like I'm definitely always looking for like just like how to make everything into a lesson. So that might be a little cheesy on my part, but it's true. I really love it. I love that it's pushed me in areas like I hadn't heard of Lemuria before I got that box, and lucid dreaming was like scary until I got that box, and so it's just so cool. So yeah, to make a long story short, I'm just very, very thankful. So thank you so much to Goddess Provisions, and I am so excited to give this box away. I'm so excited. So make sure you follow the steps. Again, they'll be in the description just in case I forgot anything. And that will end, I'll put the date here because I don't know yet, but this person does, so ask them. I'm my own editor, so that's why that joke was funny. Again, if you're entering the giveaway, make sure to comment what your favorite item was. Let me know because I am trying to decide. I'm honestly so obsessed with the incense. I'm so excited to light that. I'm interested in the cards. The crystal was so cool, obviously. The charging plate and the hand were both really cool. I just think it sounds so silly, but I'm so pumped for the incense. And this. I do think when I'm doing like aura cleansing or chakra work, I will have this guy like right next to me. I'll let y'all go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe. What the heck?